EmEditor offers advanced multiple selection features, allowing you to select and edit multiple parts of your document at the same time. To make multiple selections, hold down the Ctrl key, then click and drag with your mouse. Once you've selected your desired areas, you can edit them all simultaneously by typing. You can press Enter in multiple selection to add lines to each line. You can press Delete to delete the lines. You can also apply commands like Uppercase to multiple selections. If you need to move the cursors after making multiple selections, simply use the arrow keys. And just like with a single selection, you can hold Shift to extend or adjust your selections. Another method for making multiple selections is vertical selection. This will be covered in a separate video, which you can find in the top right corner. For a quick way to create multiple selections using only your keyboard, press the F8 key. Then move your cursor with arrow keys, and press F8 again to finish. You can repeat this process to make additional selections. You can use Ctrl, Alt, Up or Down to create new selections on the line above or below. To select the next instance of the word under the cursor, use Ctrl R. If you want to select all instances at once, press Ctrl Shift A. Multiple selection is a powerful tool for editing different parts of your document at once, helping you to work faster and more efficiently. Check the video description for a link to an article that explains multiple selections in depth. You'll also find a handy cheat sheet with all the keyboard commands related to multiple selections. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. My name is Makoto. Thanks for watching and happy editing!